Does HIFU thread lifts really work for non-surgical facelift? Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice from the last 18 years and I'm here to answer your question. All of us are going to face the situation of aging and that is the reality. All of us are getting older and the face is going to sag. And when we talk about facelifts, nobody wants to go under the knife. We want to look at a lot of non-surgical options. And especially in India, where we have a lot of aging with a lot of bulkiness of the lower part of the face, we want to talk about these two non-surgical options, which is the HIFU and the thread lift. First, let us talk about HIFU. HIFU is basically a non-invasive method which uses focused ultrasound to tighten all the three layers of the skin, the epidermis, the dermis and the subcutis. So this treatment, which is completely non-invasive, very well tolerated, takes a very little time, targets all the three layers of the skin. In the layer of the subcutis or the fat, it causes a loss of the fat or the decrease in the fat. In the dermis or the SMAS layer, it causes collagen genesis and improved tightening of the jawline, improved tightness in the mid-cheek area, improvement in the necklines, and in the epidermis, it causes the lightening of the skin as well as an improvement in the open pores as well as the texture of the skin. So this is a technique which is used and it is definitely very effective in treatment of sagging of the skin, especially when it is in the early phases. Now coming to thread lifts. Thread lifts use biocompatible, biodissolvable materials like polydioxone, which are going to be applied in the upper dermis or in the subcutaneous area to cause a lifting of the face. Now with PDO threads, the procedure is slightly more invasive than the HIFU, but it is done under local anesthetic cream and these threads are applied in a mesh-like or a parallel pattern to improve areas of jowling. It is improved to use in the subcutaneous area of the double chin area. It can also be used to treat the necklines as well. So this is a treatment which is got a little bit more downtime, maybe up to a week. You can expect some amount of minimal bruising and minimal swelling, but the results of both these procedures, both thread lifts and HIFU, last up to a year. But remember, how do you know which is the treatment that is good for you? So always trust the expert. The dermatologist, based on your skin requirements, will tell you whether you will need HIFU or whether you will need thread lifts or you will need a combination of both the treatments. Both the treatments have to be done under the guidance of a dermatologist and both the treatments have minimal or low downtimes and definitely they are going to help you avoid going under the knife. So speak to a dermatologist to understand more about these procedures. To know more about these procedures, you can watch the video on HIFU here and you can watch the video on thread lifts here. If you think that we have answered all your questions, but you have a few more questions left, please post a question in the comments below and like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.